Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will be going to show you how to make an animated circle in Premiere Pro. So we are here in the excellent world of Premiere Pro. So I also imported my file on Premiere Pro. First, drag your file on the timeline. And go to Graphics. New Layer. Ellipse. Adjust the position of the ellipse. Make it bigger. You can add fill or not. Make the stroke bigger. You can also add shadow. And go to the Effects panel and type Clock Wipe. And drag it to your ellipse. You can also make the transition longer or shorter by dragging the end of the clock wipe animation right or left. And it's done. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this Premiere Pro tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on my videos, and stay safe.